Hi guys, Brett here from Hearns Hobbies, and today I'd like to take a look and do a quick tutorial on the TRCa3 Pro. Now this is a really common charger that we sell. We sell hundreds of these things and they're really cool, they're really dependable and they do a good job. So this is just a quick basic tutorial, it's a quick basic charger. I'm going to show you how to use it. So let's have a look. Alright, so I'm in the box straight away. You can see we've got the charger, we've got the 240 volt lead and a little battery adapter. Put the box to the side. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and plug the charger in to the socket. Goes in the back of the charger here like so. Push it in nice and firmly. Make sure that the power is turned on like so. Okay, so you can see here that we've got the green light illuminated. Okay, so what I'm going to do, we're going to charge up a nickel metal battery, a NiMH. Okay, so I'm going to push it to NiCad and straight away you can see that the red light's on, so we know we're good for business. Now we take our battery adapter, we plug it in the 4-pin connector here. Now you can't charge two batteries at once, it's just two kind of connectors that it comes with. So our battery has Tamiya style connector, so I'm going to go ahead, plug it on, push the button. Now the light is blinking. Now the blinking light means that it's charging. So after about half an hour to an hour, depends on how flat the battery is, but it does charge up to 3 amps, usually about 2. This battery will be charged, and I know it'll be charged because this light will just go to a solid constant light again. It won't be flashing, and the battery to touch will be slightly warm. Now that's nickel metal hydride, and that's the characteristic of the battery. Now not all batteries will be getting warm, in fact some of them you definitely don't want them to, like LiPo. So I'm going to go ahead now and charge up a LiPo pack. So here we have a 9 Steps Industry 5200 2S battery. So I'm going to quickly take this one off charge, push the button, the light's gone solid, so I know that it's not charging anything. Unplug the battery, unplug this connector because we're not going to be using it. Now the LiPo battery comes with a balance port, this one here, and the cell, the main power one. But for this one being a 2 amp charger, I'm just going to charge it, plug it into the little 3-pin connector at the front here, and then I know that, oops, I need to plug it into nickel metal. Sorry, I need to turn it onto LiPo first, like so. Just need to reset the charger. So we're on LiPo, the light is green. Go ahead now, I'll plug the battery in there to the balance port, push the LiPo. Again, we can see that it's flashing. Now I know that this one is charged again when the flashing stops, and indeed the light just stays on a steady constant. Simple as that. This battery here is probably going to take about 2 hours to charge, depends exactly how flat it is. If you run it just a voltage cutoff on your Traxxas, for example, it'll probably take an hour or so to charge. So really good little charger. Again, I'll stop it now, take that one off. Now the next most common battery that we do is for the little tornado truck that I've got here. These are so common, and the charger that comes with it is really good and reliable. It's a USB style charger, but it does take some time. So a common upgrade I tell people is to put the A3 Pro charger with their little tornado truck. Again, being a LiPo battery, it's got the balance port, plug it straight in, and again push the button until we're flashing. Now it's flashing, I know it's charging. Now this small battery here, the little 1200 battery, that will be charged in about 40 minutes. So it gives you heaps of playtime. Anyway, that's the basic premise of how the Tornado A3 Pro charger works. It's only a little tutorial. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope you found it helpful. I'm Brett from Hearns, and thanks for watching.